Welcome to our tutorial on how to receive Facebook notifications by email for reminders on your PC. With the latest update, staying on top of your important reminders has never been easier. Let's dive into the simple steps to set this up. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Next, look at the top right corner of your Facebook homepage. You'll see a bell-shaped icon. This is your notifications icon. Click on it to open the notifications drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll spot 3 dots in the upper right corner. Click on these dots to reveal more options. From the list that appears, select Notification Settings. This will take you to a page where you can customize all your notification preferences. Now, scroll down until you find the Reminder section. Click on it to expand the options. Here's the crucial step. Look for the email toggle switch and click it to turn it on. When it's blue, you know it's activated. And that's it. You've successfully set up email notifications for Facebook reminders on your PC. Now, you'll receive emails about important reminders, ensuring you never miss a birthday, event, or any other significant notification. This new update makes it incredibly convenient to stay connected, even when you're not actively browsing Facebook. Whether it's a friend's birthday, an upcoming event, or a reminder to check out a post you saved, you'll get all these notifications directly in your email inbox. Remember, you can always come back to this settings page to adjust your preferences. If you find you're getting too many emails, you can easily turn off specific types of reminders or disable the email notifications altogether. We hope this guide has been helpful. Stay organized and never miss an important reminder again with Facebook's email notifications. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips.